I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the basics already. Signed in Apple ID and wallet access. Open wallet, tap the plus sign, and choose Apple Cash to add the card now. Follow prompts to accept terms and enable feature. You'll verify identity with Face ID or your passcode. Once done, make sure your primary payment card is added to wallet for transfers. This first action creates your Apple Cash card so you can send, receive, and store balance securely on your phone. Once your Apple Cash card exists, tap it in Wallet and choose Add Money to fund the balance from a linked bank debit card. Select an amount and confirm with Face ID. To send payments, link or confirm a debit/credit card under payment methods so Apple Cash can top up or process charges. Make sure to enable automatic transfers if you want excess balance moved to bank, or leave manual control for deliberate withdrawals. This sets up flow between bank, card. You can send or request Apple Cash directly in messages or by tapping the card in Wallet and selecting Pay. Choose amount, authorize with Face ID, and the balance updates instantly. To move money to your bank, pick Instant, Fee, or Standard 1-3 business days. If a payment fails or your Apple Cash is restricted, make sure your identity verification is complete, check linked card limits, and retry. If issues persist, contact Apple support and provide any verification prompts they request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.